You're such a fucking zoo. I love it. I love it. You're such a fucking zoo. I love it. I love it. You're such a fucking zoo. I love it. I love it. You lost all of your clothes. Your cousin. Big black trash bags in a doom. They took things about a dozen. You want them to stop, you can't. You just watching, you say nothing. On my mom's, I get fashy. All these bags wanna I share. Stomp them things up on the ground. Look at them Indian crochet. Running from my dad, I'm gone. Find the corner in cachet. Watch them taking all my clothes. Where they go, man, I don't know. So I walk up to my dad and I let his ass know. You're such a fucking zoo. I love it. I love it. You're such a fucking zoo. I love it. I love it. You're such a fucking zoo.
Jocelyn, you don't wear sexy girl like that night when you go to sleep. No. You wear the mumu. Shimmy them big shirt. I'm such a so Toyota is what I drive. I'm such a so I don't wear socks all the time. I'm such a so I don't cry when I cry. I'm such a so I love to lie to my wife. All the time, every day and say I never lie. Got a baby who, you know that's not true. If she call again, I'll go do voodoo. I don't want a trouble could cause the problem. I don't want a problem could cause the trouble. Baby, you and I, you know we make the perfect couple. Anytime you win, I always pull out my sharp. Rub it on your head and make it hot like a ratio. Then take you home crazy, you just like a big blow.
You're such a fucking zoo.